I want to show you a way to make your birthday parties easier. In this box is an electric candle lighter. Actually, it can be used to light your barbecue grill, your fire pit, anything that you need to light. It doesn't have to be a candle. It's really neat. It comes with a charging cord, and it comes with a little general instructions manual, and it comes with a card that says don't forget to activate your 12-month warranty, which is nice. So I've charged this up, and the first thing you do is push up all the way, and all of the LED lights will be on. When all 4 lights are on like this, you know it's fully charged. And when I pushed that up, this little part came out of the end. So now it's ready to light something. You have to push the start button in order to light. So here we go. It has an arc. I hope you can see that. When I press the button, you see that arc that goes between the 2 points, and that's what you hold down on your candle wick to light it. It's really neat. So at your next birthday party, you don't have to be rushing around trying to find matches and lighting a candle or two until it burns down and burns your fingers. This is really neat. I love it. I think it's a really great, handy thing to have around. So you might like to try one of these for yourself.